So I realized I forgot to mention one thing that's super important. If you haven't done it yet, you should save. So hit save here, and it will save it to the cloud. I have a bunch of different places. I'm going to save it in a folder that's called my school stuff folder. Just kind of call it, oh, not school stuff. I'm going to save it in signs and stickers. These are other signs and stickers and things that I made over the years. So I'm going to call it llama, a llama sticker. Um, so just really want to make sure you save it. Super important. You'll know it will synchronize up top. Over here, we'll give it a new name called Llama Sticker. And you really want to be pressing this pretty frequently. It's pretty late in the process. I think I've told you that in class as well. So right before I'm doing this, I've decided I actually want to add a second llama to this. So I am going to select my llama, and I'm going to hold down Shift on the keyboard, and I'm clicking these parts right here. So I've selected all of them, and I'm actually going to make them a group. And then I'm actually going to take this and shrink this llama down a little bit. And when I do that, I'm going to hit the transform button. And we're going to use this in a moment again. And I'm going to hold down Shift, select, hold down Shift. And when I transform this, it will keep all the, oh, I missed a part right there. That's part of my group. So that's that path. Then over here, I'm going to hold down Shift. I'm going to select my group. There's my group here. Now I have all of it. I'm going to group it again. So now it's all part of one. I'm going to hit transform, and then I'm going to shrink this llama down, sort of put it there. And then I'm going to duplicate. So that's Control D. I'm going to make a second llama, and I'm going to mirror this one. And then again, I still have transform hit. So I'm going to hold down Shift. And what that does is that keeps that sort of aspect all the same. Sort of put another llama here. And then I'm going to do Control D. And you'll notice it made another one for me already. And that way, that looks a little better. Llamas. It also says llamas, and now there's multiple llamas. So that's good. So the next step is I'm going to select everything here with the select arrow, and I'm going to make it all one big group all together. Okay. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit transform, and I'm going to take this, and I'm going to make the width and the height bigger. And you'll notice with transform clicked, I have this keep ratio selected. I'm going to pick whichever is the larger number. So this is 198. I'm going to take that number, and I'm going to make it a bigger number. And basically what we're doing is we're making our picture bigger for exporting, so that it's nice. It's a nice clean cut image. And so I'm going to make this 1,000 millimeters big. So 1,000. So whichever number was bigger, going back, Control Z. So that's 198. I'm going to select this one. I'm going to make it 1,000. It's going to make my picture huge, which is fine. I'm going to unclick transform, click in the white space over here. And then what I'm going to hit this button is called trim canvas. And what that's done, if I hit this fit all button, it's sort of trimmed the canvas to this size. Everything's bigger, and now my picture is much larger than it is. It'll be much better for cutting. So here I want to save. So you're sort of done. Now you need to move to my laptop, the HP laptops, not the Chromebook, and you're going to do the final steps of getting this ready for cutting. Okay, so I know there was a lot of quick steps, really fast. The main thing is sort of making a group, making that size bigger, and then saving it, really, really saving it, making sure it's saved, and then going to my laptop. Okay, good luck.